We are next to the restaurant called Giardino. You remember it from my videos. And here you see the volcano. Some military vehicle went down. See this lava river that is coming down from the volcano. I think it's time for me to go home because it's already I made many footages. Beautiful night in La Palma. You can see the stars. Many palm trees. Beautiful. And this is my car. So I wish you good night. Good night from La Palma. Be well. God bless. It's really raining ash here, very bad. Quite big pieces of ash are falling on me, really. I have to hide or drive away because this is really bad. I just stopped next to the road here. Very big ash rain is coming. So I better get away from here.